Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
In this video, we are going to learn how entrepreneurs can set strong business goals using the SMARTER approach. It's a checklist that helps entrepreneurs like Brad make sure their goals are strong and achievable. SMARTER stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound, ethical, and recordable. Each part is important. Together, they help business owners set goals that they can actually reach and keep track of their progress. Let's look at Brad's ice cream shop as an example. His goal is to sell 200 ice creams in 30 days at a school during summer. This goal is specific because it clearly says what Brad will do. It is measurable because he can count each ice cream sold. It is achievable because he has the stock, cooler box and customers ready. It is realistic since learners at school will want ice cream in summer. It is time-bound because he set a limit of 30 days. It is ethical because it's a fair and affordable product. And finally, it is recordable because Brad can keep track of sales in a notebook. That's why his goal ticks every SMARTER box. This example shows that SMARTER goals give direction and focus, helping entrepreneurs like Brad and you turn business ideas into real success.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.